There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to this weekly insight call for Panther. Today we're going to look at a little bit of the results, how they were performing since we updated the Panther to Panther 3.0. So far the results are amazing. We had some couple winning days, we have couple of losing days, and nothing major. Okay, so you have to know that there will always be losing days with Panther. There will be sometimes losing weeks, and maybe we're gonna have also losing months. Okay, so first of all, Panther, it's made to be a robust trading tool, automated trading tool. Why? Because it has backtested for 10 years to survive everything that might happen in the market, so everybody can sleep nice and tight and don't have to worry about losing your account. Okay, so this is the first important thing. And Panther with 0.5% risk per every single trade is going to do around 100 to 120, 130% in every single year. Okay, Kevin and Matei are already working on Panther 4.0. Also, we're going to be adding very soon some different trading pairs. So we're going to have maybe even 12 trading pairs. So it's going to be more and more trading opportunities, and also the same security, that everything is going to be nice with our accounts. But anyway, let's jump into Panther. Okay, first of all, you see I didn't even check it this weekend because I was at vacation. I went like a little bit down to the Croatian coastline. But anyway, what is the most important thing that you have to know with Panther is this, that you pull the right Panther to the right chart. Okay, so you can see AUDNZD H1, AUDUSD H1, and has to be AUDUSD and has to be on H1. So once you pull the chart on, you can also see here it's going to say AUDNZD H1. So you always check that you have it on the right time frame. Always, no matter how much you have on your trading account, if it's $500, because you can start trading with $500, you have $1 million on your account, you always have the exact all the 10 pairs trading at the same time. If it's going to be 11 pairs, you're trading 11 pairs. If it's going to be 12 pairs, you're going to be trading 12 pairs. And if you're going to trade 30 pairs, you're always going to be trading 30 pairs. Okay, so just thus that you know. And then everything else, just leave it to Panther. Also set up your risk. I have high risk. I'm trading 1%. I'm risking 1% of my account for every single trade that the Panther does. If you want to become more conservative, put here 0.5. If you want to go even more conservative, put 0.3 and so on, more aggressive, but never go over 1% for risk. Okay, this is the aggressive side of Panther. Then let's jump into the MyFXBook, so we can see how MyFXBook is showing. And as you can see, we started, you can see here in general, you can have like my link, I can share you also my link. You can see we started Panther 3.0 on 6th of June. So right now we are trading. We can do custom analysis here, 6th of June. Okay, bam, Sunday, analyze 5th of June, and let's see how it was performing. As you can see, we are up 2.33% since Panther 3.0. We had 4 losing days, excuse me, 1.46%, 2.7, and 1 0.78, and now 2.98. Nothing major. Why it's like a little bit bigger here? Because as we can go back and see the history of trades. You can see the GBP JPY had a stop loss of 104 pips. So that means that was like what, 15? How much was the loss? I think it was like $15. Net profit. Where do we have it? GBP JPY, you can see 7.78. We lost 1.48%. So you can see here it's more than 1%. Why? Because JPY GBP pairs have like a bigger stop loss. Then you can see here AUDUSD had a stop loss of 40 pips. So still you see for my account it's less. We were less than 1%, but here you can see it was exactly 1%. So as the account grows, so it's gonna be more perfect. The how do you say, the risk is going to be always 1%, but the account has to grow. This is an account that we're not going to put any money on, not take any money off. We're just going to be running it the whole time at 1%, so we can see how it can do. And this is actually it. I don't look at Panther whatsoever because I have a fully trust the software, because in my opinion it's the one of the best softwares with AUVORIAPRME, and it's just gonna go gonna get better and better and better. Let me see if there's any questions. Okay, there is no questions. So guys, there is not a lot to talk about. Panther, just set it up the right way as I showed you. These are the pairs that we're running. Open the right pairs, put them to the right time frame. You select time frame up here, and then just drag it to the chart, the right chart, and also adjust your risk. And this is it. And press OK and go enjoy your life. Thank you everybody that joined into the call live. Everybody that was watching the recording. So if you have any questions, just message us, me and Kevin, in the Panther Traders chat. We will be more than happy to answer all your questions. But in the end, Panther is robust. Set it, forget it, and that's it. Guys, have a great trading week, and we will talk next week. Bye.